Thank you very much for inviting me such a wonderful workshop for the better understanding to the Jokuso technologies originated in Japan. So my name is Yuki Yoshida as an environmental attaché in the Embassy of Japan, and originally I was dispatched from the environmental ministry in Japan. Yes, but I'm so unfortunate. But I will shift back to Japan in near future in August. But yeah, my successor Mihoko Nagai is also be here, and he's he will support for further collaboration with Indian government. So my presentation will be Japanese contribution in India in the field of Jokuso technology. So let me begin. So this is the outline of Jokuso technology. So Jokuso is categorized as decentralized wastewater treatment system for domestic wastewater discharged by household, building, and so on. Jokuso has been developed in Japan, applied by Jokuso Act, enacted on 1983, performance evaluation system, license of skilled technician for installation, and some legal inspection, etc. So that means Jokuso technology can treat gray water and black water. Both the water will treated properly and discharged less than 20 milligram per liters the BOD the consideration, and the nitrogen and other chemicals will be treated and to discharge to the public water. And so Jokuso technology is authorized by the Japanese government. It means any types of Jokuso. So Jokuso have a so big scale and small scale size of the Jokuso is available in Japan and also in India. So that all types of Jokuso is categorized and evaluated and authorized by the government of Japan. So that reliable system due to the governmental certification. And Japan has a long history and enough installation records over 3.5 million units. And it has been installed totally around 3.5 million units in Japan, and also 45,000 in overseas. So recently, you can see that light up graph, upside of graph. So recently, the installation pace will be increasing for the overseas installation. And yeah, so all of the world has been installed in Jokuso system, like Germany in Europe, and Kenya in Africa, and Oman, or some other USA, and some other Asian country like Vietnam, Indonesia, and Thailand, and so on. So many installation has been done by the private company in Japan, like Daiki Axis. So for the promotion of the Jokuso, so MOEJ, Ministry of Environment, Japan, has hosted international workshop on decentralized wastewater treatment in Asia, and to share the Japan's legal system and regulation and experiences. So maybe 2 years back, 3 years back, 2019 December, yes, we have the workshop here, maybe exactly this room, yes, same room, yes, for the promotion of the Jokaso system. In the presence of MOEJ's officials and Daiki Axis and other Japanese private companies to present Jokaso technologies. So, yes. And application of Jokaso system is large areas. Okay. Yeah. Thank you very much. So, rural area and agricultural area also, and rapid development area, and closed waste water area, and emergency hygiene improvement area, and also the city. So for important buildings such as hospital or public toilet is applicable for the Jokaso installation. And this this picture will this picture shows the after installation of the Jokaso system. So you can see the clean water discharge from the household. And from now on, I would like to explain about the cooperation between India and Japan. So as you may know, on 19 March this year, Minister of Jal Shakti and the Ministry of Environment in Japan exchanged MOC related to Jokaso technology in the presence of both Prime Minister. You can see that Kishida-san and Modi-san. And the scope of cooperation is decentralized domestic wastewater treatment management and effective use of treated wastewater. So the recycle and the reused treated wastewater is yes, important. So I think, and everyone thinks so. So, and recently both ministries are discussing the form of management council and other preparation work like joint working program. This will be some document to manage our MOC. So this is implementation phases for the MOC recently. And further cooperation example for the Vietnam. For example, in Vietnam, Ministry of Natural Resources and Environment has interest to the implementation of Jokaso technologies. So that's why the government of Japan in Environment Ministry provided training for the better understanding for installation of Jokaso technology, and also management and management system to the Vietnam offshore workers. And Japanese government provided some workshop for the learning course of methodology of evaluation of performance of the Jokaso and calculation of pit capacity. Oh yeah, thank you. So that will will lead the better understanding of the Jokaso. How can we utilize the equipment, and how can we utilize the discharged water? And I think that these kinds of cooperation are the one of the potential areas between also Japan and India. So we would like to discuss in near future for the between India and Japan with Jal Shakti. Oh, this is my last presentation. So I hope this workshop will be successful and will be helpful for the better understanding for the Jokaso technology. And I hope it will be the best opportunity to collaborate someone else to the Daiki axis. Thank you very much for your kind attention. Thank you.